Yes, so that's around 1,194 OFWs as between Ishikawa and Toyama. As John Allen had said, sila yung talagang tinamaan. So we're expecting about the same number. Ang request ko kina John Allen, na-announce na rin namin yung mga contact numbers eh. Yung Migrant Workers Office natin sa Osaka, kumontak lang po doon. Meron silang email, yung mwo-osaka@dmw.gov.ph. Mag-email lang po doon at dudulugin natin tutugunan natin ang inyong dinudulog.
Usec, apart from the two prefectures that you mentioned, Ishikawa and Toyama, what other areas are you monitoring, and is assistance also available to them, to Filipinos there?
Yes, of course, the Nigito Prefecture, which I mentioned, which is further up north, headed na yan to Hokkaido, up north sa Japan, and any other prefectures that are near. Kasi di ba ang tsunami warnings and advisories all throughout the western coastline. So posibleng may adversely affected along that entire western coastline area from Nagasaki down south up to Hokkaido up north. So posibleng sila ay adversely affected.